Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is Pongal special, our Sankranti special. So today we are going to do Ven Pongal. It is a typical South Indian traditional dish. So let us check out the ingredients. So I have taken 1 cup of raw rice soaked in the water, equally 1 cup of moong dal that is also soaked in the water for around 20 minutes, along with cashew nuts, curry leaves, cumin seeds, chopped ginger, peppercorns, asafoetida, and we will be seasoning it with ghee. So let us get into our Ven Pongal recipe. So friends, the first step is I have taken a cooker just on the stove. Just add the soaked rice into the cooker along with the soaked moong dal. Both was been soaking for around 20 minutes. Drain the water completely and add it into the cooker. Add 2 glasses of water. The more we cooked, the more the taste it will give. So I'm just going to add 2 cups of water. Add the required amount of salt and pressure cook it for around 3 whistles. See, yes, the pressure is released. You can find our pongal is well cooked. So this is how you need to cook it for around 3 to 4 whistles. It's cooked well and it's nicely come out. So now let us see what is next. I've taken another pan. I'm just adding 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. You can add as per the requirement. After adding ghee, we need to season all the set ingredients one by one for the extra aroma and taste. 2 tablespoons of ghee, few cashew nuts, fried until golden brown. Along with this, we are going to add chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, along with 1 tablespoon of peppercorns and cumin seeds. Cashew nuts and ginger is getting tossed. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of peppercorn and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. You can find our cashew nuts, cumin seeds and peppercorns are nicely tossed in the ghee. It's giving such a fantastic smell. So at this stage, add little curry leaves. So as the curry leaves is getting tossed, I'm just going to add a pinch of asafoetida. That's all. Mix everything well off the stove and add this ingredient to our cooked Ven Pongal. So I'm just going to add this into our Ven Pongal. Add the tossed item into our pongal. Mix the pongal very well and let us have it served hot. Hi friends, so here goes our lovely hot Ven Pongal, which is our Pongal special, Sankranti special. So wish you all a very happy Pongal 2021. So please do try this South Indian traditional Pongal recipe. This goes very well with coconut chutney and hot sambar. So watch my video, share my videos, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.